Right. I'm going to be quick on this. I have a habit of rambling, so I want to get this recorded so I can go. Right. What am I saying? In order to show you what I mean by the creating a file as an input mechanism. How did I word it? File-based input system, right? I just want to show you how I've built my own file-based input system. I didn't do it for the Spike. I did it before so that I could create reasonable-looking agents a bit easier. So you see, we've got all of these. Some of these are random tests, but we've got like test commander, security review, security guardian, release manager, recovery specialist. These are all markdown files that I got AI to generate, and then I've just used some code to pass those files and push them up to the GraphQL endpoint. That's all it's doing. But what that allows me to do is have those files as an input mechanism. I can edit these files, I can update the properties in these files, I can modify them pretty quickly and easily. And then every time we make changes on the database, or if I want to push these up somewhere else, I can just rerun that syncing script. So this is something that enterprise might want. We wouldn't do it locally in the way that this works, but maybe that when something's committed to the default branch, a background process kicks in and syncs all of the hard-coded file-based agents with the ones that are in the catalog. I'll show you how it works roughly, and then take inspiration from this, but probably don't copy the way I've done it, because it's not the best. It's not the most robust. It's fine for what I need, but for enterprise level software, probably not. So, excuse me. What I've done is I have created a GitLab folder. Well, it's the GitLab folder that we normally use, and in there I've created an agents folder. And then in here I have all of these markdown files that make up the agents, right? So if we look at deploy, you can see this is the deployment master. I've got allowed tools all. This doesn't actually do anything. This is just something that AI generated. We'd probably need to do something a bit more like list of tool IDs or something. I don't know a nice way to do that. But yeah, use your best judgment. This is the kind of stuff that we want you to try and work out. And then I've got like description, we've got ID, you could have like public true here as well. And then the main body of the markdown is the system prompt. This is copied almost verbatim from how Claude does it with Claude Code. This is how you specify agents there. If we copy that convention, probably make quite a few people happy. Because it's something they're already familiar with, right? Okay, so just to show this working, if I do npm run sync, what this will do, it'll go through that folder, it'll go through all of the agents in there. If they have an ID assigned to them, it'll update the agent with that ID. If they don't have an ID assigned to them, it'll go and create a new one. So if I sync this, you'll see that the deployment master should now be public. Where is deployment master? He's on the next page. Deployment master, there you go, and he's public. I'm saying, hey, it's an AI agent. You get the point. Yeah, so that's the general idea, right? Like, instead of running it as, like I say, instead of running it as a local script, it should probably be something that's run in a background process. We need to handle all sorts of things. The way I've done the ID isn't super secure. The other bits and pieces that need ironing out as well. But like you can see why this is fairly powerful, right? So if I not ls, I want git status and git diff. Like, imagine this is a merge request. You can see, oh, I've made this public. Can I merge that? And if it's yes, then there we go. We've made it public. If not, then it doesn't get merged. And equally, if I wanted to reset that, unsync, run sync. Hopefully I didn't uninstall something called sync there. No. And if I look back at deployment master, it should. Oh, as I said, there's bugs in this. Because I've undone it. Goddamn, I don't have time to go into the details of what's just happened there, but essentially, I wasn't explicitly saying it wasn't public. I was not specifying anything, so it's not overwritten it. Do some gymnastics and you can work that out. But the point is, you can reset the branch and bring in some old changes, right? It's going to bug me that I've not been able to show that. So let's open the analyze agent, right? Let's do that. And then sync it. Now we should have code, what was he called? The analyzer agent. There it is, code, blah, 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 blah. And then if I reset the head, run sync. Oh, back to being called code analyst. Hey, that's what I was trying to show. So yeah, that's some inspiration. That's all it is. It's inspiration. I would very much recommend following the Claude paradigm. I don't know what to call it. Outline, template, whatever you want to call it. Follow that as much as you can for these things, because if we can support that, then people can essentially copy over their Claude Code agents straight into GitLab, and we're already aware, and we should follow these conventions as much as we can. But yeah, do what makes sense. I trust you.